Hey, it's Arie here. How you doing? Hopefully you're doing well. In today's video, I want to do a quick tutorial on how to integrate your Aweber account with Clickfunnels. Now, when you are sending traffic through your sales funnel, when you are getting people onto your landing page, it's very, very important that before you start sending any sort of traffic, that you first have this fully set up so that once people opt in, with their name and email, they click the button to request more access with, whatever it is you're offering, then they would, of course, then get put onto your email list. So in this case, I'm going to be showing how to integrate your ClickFunnels account with Aweber so that when people opt in, they get put into your email list inside of Aweber. So very first thing that you want to do, before you do anything, is you will first want to exit from this. I'll click leave, and I'll just give that a second to show up or load up, I guess. And once that loads up, you would want to go to the top right. You'd click on account settings. So you just click on that. We'll give that a second to load up. Once you get to this page, what you'll want to do is scroll down, and there will be this option here that says integrations. So you just click on that, and then as you can see here, I already have Aweber currently connected, but if you are just doing this for the first time, what you'll want to do is you'll want to come to this page. You'll click on Add New Integration, and then from here it's going to give you a list of different softwares that you could integrate inside with ClickFunnels. In this case, I'm using Aweber. So Aweber is, right at the top here. They got all the other, email autoresponders as well. They got GetResponse, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, Constant Contact, Infusionsoft, all the other ones out there. But in my case, I'm using Aweber, and if you're following in my footsteps, you would select Aweber. So you just click on that, and then from here it will have you enter a nickname for your Aweber account. So you could either just put in, your username, your email that you use to sign up with Aweber. You could pretty much just kind of put your name or anything really in this field. It's giving me a warning saying you've already done this, but hey, I'm just doing a tutorial, so go away, little warning sign. Anyways, you just put in whatever nickname you want to use here, and then you just click on Connect Integration. From there, it's going to have you sign into your Aweber account, and then once you do that, then you're pretty much good to go. You have Aweber now connected with your ClickFunnels account. So from here, what you'd want to do is once you are building up a landing page, or if you already have a landing page built up and you want to have that go into your email list, you'd want to go into Funnels. You go back to the funnel that you were using. In my case, I'm just using this little dummy funnel for this demonstration. This I just did. I just built this landing page when I was just first getting the hang of ClickFunnels, and I was just kind of testing it myself. So I can hit Edit Page, and it's going to take me back to this landing page that I was just on. And from here, what you would want to do is you would want to first click on the button. And you want to make sure that the action is set to submit order/submit form. You don't want it to be a pop-up. You don't want it like a Facebook opt-in or straight to a website URL. You want to make sure that it submits them to a form. So in this case, it would be your email list that you submit them to. And all you'd want to do from here is you just click on Settings, Integrations, and before you actually integrate with Aweber, I do want to mention one thing. This is actually very important that you really take note of this. In order for this to work, in other words, once you have this integration set up, in order for it to work when someone enters their name and email, if you are adding them to a list of some sort, if it's a brand new list that you have just created, like in my case, I got 3 lists here. What you will want to do before you integrate with ClickFunnels, you will want to make sure that it first has a sign-up form. So if you did not create a sign-up form for your list yet, you would pretty much just kind of go to this page, click on Create Sign-up Form, and then from here you would just want to just follow the steps. You don't really have to necessarily edit anything. You don't have to change up anything at all. You just go to this page, scroll down, click on Step 2, scroll down from here, click Step 3, and then you just click Save Your Form. Once you do that, then you're pretty much good to go. If you don't do this step, then when people opt into your landing page, they'll just get brought to some sort of like error page, and you definitely don't want that. So very, very important that you have this set up. Otherwise, you'll pretty much be you'll pretty much be wasting traffic, when they get to your landing page. So very important that you have that set up. But once you have that set up, all you have to do is you just go to your landing page, you go to settings, integrations, and then from here you just choose your integration. In my case, I'm using Aweber. You click that, you click your action, it'd be integrate existing form, and then you just select the list you want to add them to. In my case, I'm going to go with affiliate marketing made simple. So then once you have that connected, then from here, whenever someone goes to your landing page, they decide to request more information, name, first name, email, they click the button, they get taken to your next page in your funnel, and then they also get put on your email list where you could then follow up with them, as much as you want down the road. So that is essentially how you connect your Aweber to ClickFunnels. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know if you found this helpful in the comments down below. Leave a comment letting me know if you got value out of this, and be sure to give this a like as well, because it really does help the channel. And if you'd like to learn more about how you could build a business online, you want to know how to really build a business through affiliate marketing or network marketing or whatever it is you're looking to get into, if you want to know how to build an online business, the first link in the description will take you to my free training that I put together, and that's going to go over the 4 main components that you will need to have in place in order to really build a long-term stable business online. So feel free to check that out there, and take care.